Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going behind the scenes of how I made a custom set for a client using a picture that she sent me as inspiration. So this is the picture she sent me. So I've never done a set like this before, so I decided to film while I was making it. So to prepare the nails, I'm doing the usual. I file off the free edge, I buff the nails, and then after that I apply a base coat. So I'm going to paint the colors now, and I'm using the colors that are closest to the ones that my client sent me in the picture. I'm using Angel Face from Angel Beauty, and then I'm going to go in with Instagram, also from Angel Beauty. So if we look at the picture again, the client wanted a few things different. So for example, on the middle finger, which is the nail with the lifeline nail art, she just wanted to add her initial on the nail. And then on the thumbnail, which we couldn't see in the picture, she wanted it in plain pink, and she wanted 2 hearts at the tips of the thumbs. And the biggest difference is that instead of square nails as in the picture, she wanted the nails in long coffin. So after doing the flat color for the nails, I'm going to do the 2 V French nails. So I'm outlining the nail with my liner brush, and then I'm going to fill it in with the regular polish brush. After that, I would go back in with the liner brush to make sure all the lines are straight, and then I cure it in the UV lamp. To do the lifeline design, I'm using a painting gel. It's a bit thicker than most polishes, so I get to have a little bit more control while I'm drawing the lines. To make the heart, I'm going to use my dotting tool to form the top of the heart, and then my liner brush to finish the rest of it. I'm going to put it in the UV lamp to cure after for about 60 seconds, as this gel is a bit thicker than most. Then I'm going to repeat the hearts on the tips of the thumbnail. Now for the encapsulated butterflies, I'm going to use some builder gel. I'm using Mia Secrets builder gel in a bottle. Just applying an even layer to the nail, and after that, without curing it, I'm going to place my butterflies on the nail and then cure them into place. So I'm using some gold butterflies. I just checked the picture to make sure that the butterflies matched up, and then I'm just going to put them in place. So while I was curing, I put the K initial at the end of the nail with a lifeline, and to do that I used some old English letter stickers that I got off AliExpress. So now we're almost there. I'm going to encapsulate the butterflies with another layer of builder gel. After that, off camera, I went ahead and I cleaned up the nail with some alcohol, and then I buffed it to make sure it was smooth. So to finish this off, finally I'm applying 1 thin coat of a milky polish to give the butterflies that cloudy look that we saw in the picture. And now we're going to put on some top coat for that sleek shiny finish on this set. I think this set came out really cute. I'm not sure who did the original set because the photo wasn't watermarked or anything like that, but the set was really fun to recreate. After this step, I'm going to double check all the nails to make sure they're good so that I can package it and then I'll ship it out to my client. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when I upload a new nail video. So I really hope that you enjoyed being behind the scenes with 123 Press, and I'll see you all in the next video. By the way, just stick around to the end to see that my client was nice enough to send me a pic when she put her nails on. Alright, so you all have a good day and goodbye for now.